I'm gonna go over a little small lock box. Check this thing out, everybody. This is something really cool. You know, I've already had it out and looked at it here and used it. This is called a time box, not a lock box, it's a time box. And you know what? I'm just gonna take everything out of the package here. It came in this little white box right here. We'll put this aside. This is the unit itself. It was taped down here and this piece was up here. And you get a little set of instructions that kind of go over it, but you know what? I'm going to go over it for you. It was wrapped in this right here, very nicely packaged. Comes with its own little charger thing here. And by the way, this does not run, it does not have batteries in it. So what you're going to do, you're going to open it up and put two AAA batteries in each side. You can see right there, AAA battery in there and AAA battery in there. Pretty simple. You have a lock here. You're going to remove this lock, and before you close it, so when you put the batteries in there, it's going to come up on the display here. And what I'm going to do, you can see right here, you can go minutes, you can go hours, and it looks like you could go 99 hours, you could go forever when you want to. That clears it. So H and ILM at the same time will clear it. What would you use this for? Well, let me kind of tell you what you'd use it for. Let's say you've got a habit of wanting to eat cookies or chocolate, or like something like, say you want to have, like your kid, you want to like limit his Xbox or something. You look how I can hold an Xbox controller. You put that in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it for 1 minute. So it's set for 1 minute. Now, right now, that controller's in there. Now, yeah, I get it. You know, they could just smash it. But if you're somewhat responsible, I think this thing will actually help if you want to put something in timeout. So let's say the Xbox controller in there. Now, just for the purpose of this video, we're going to go, say like you want to put a controller in there for like 2 hours. You could time it for 2 hours. But we're going to do, for the purpose of this video, let's do 1 minute. There is actually a secret way to open it, and I will show you that. So let's say, as soon as I hit the lock, listen. It goes through a 5-second countdown. And then what over here is the seconds. Right now, it looks like I'm at 53, 52 seconds of opening. So right now, this thing is in lock for a minute. So the good thing about this is it lets you actually look at your item. So you can see right here, I've got 26 seconds. So let me go ahead and speed this up. Let's cut it down a little bit. All right, everybody, we're at 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3. So now we got 2 seconds. Here we go. Right on cue. Is that not awesome? This thing is so cool. Now I want to do an emergency lock. Hold this down. Hold the H and ILM down for 10 seconds. There you go. So see how I can do an emergency? And by the way, you can only do that once. So even if I know that code, I can't keep doing it over and over. If I do that once, I can't do it again. I think it's one of these items that's just kind of like cool to have, because you set it up there on the mantle and then you're like, well, you got 5 more hours, or you could put it on 24 hours and you got a whole day before I can get my controller back. And then, like I said, this little cord right here will plug in here if the batteries go dead, if I need to do like an opening on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the time lock. See y'all in the next video.